Hi everyone. Introducing the Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT Custom by Thunderbike, Razorback. A modern muscle bike with razor-sharp edges and a stretched line that redefine the BREAKOUT's silhouette. The GP tank and GP rear fender, with their sharp edges, significantly transform the traditionally rounded shapes of the BREAKOUT. Equipped with a complete styling kit, including a front spoiler, torque headlight, and front fender, the Razorback radiates a distinct sporty look even when stationary. To bring this beast closer to the ground, the rear shock has been replaced with an air ride rear suspension, and the fork has been lowered, ensuring a sleek and aggressive stance. The highlight of this custom marvel is the 3-piece new digger wheels in a matte bicolor finish. The left side pulley brake system offers an unobstructed view of the impressive wheel, fitted with a 260 Metzeler tire. The Jekill and Hyde exhaust system guarantees a loud presence, perfect for turning heads at the ice cream parlor, and thanks to the valve technology in the mufflers, there's no stress with the neighbors. Key features include air ride suspension, fork lowering kit, fuel tank, GP style, rear fender, GP style 260 18 inches, seat plate, wheels, Thunderbike new digger 21 inches and 18 inches, chin fairing, GP style, long, ignition coil relocation, grips, foot pegs, brake pedal, shift peg, side mount brake at Liscence bracket. Experience the unparalleled blend of style and power with the Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT Custom by Thunderbike, Razorback.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Thanks for watching.